Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we dig deep into the details of the best items you'll love to use or gift. Today's spotlight is on a set that I'm calling the best family mugs. The DOWAN 20 ounces coffee mugs with blessed and grateful inscriptions. These are more than just mugs. They're warm reminders of appreciation, gratitude, and comfort, packaged in ceramic perfection. Let's dive in and explore what makes this DOWAN set an ideal gift and a standout piece in any kitchen. Right from the first glance, the design catches your eye. These mugs come in a beautiful dual color combination. Soft blue and clean white, with a unique reactive glaze finish that ensures no two mugs are exactly the same. It adds a handcrafted charm that makes your drinkware feel special and personal. The words blessed and grateful are gently printed across the front in stylish fonts, making each sip a subtle reminder of the good things in life. Each mug holds a generous 20 fluid ounces. That means fewer trips back to the kitchen and more time enjoying your coffee, tea, hot chocolate, or even a cozy cup of soup. The thick lip gives you a better drinking experience, and the interior glaze ensures easy cleaning. Even if you're using it for something a bit richer like hot cocoa or latte with froth. One thing you'll immediately notice is how comfortable these mugs are to hold. The large handle is designed for a firm grip. Perfect for those with bigger hands or for anyone who wants to enjoy their beverage without their fingers touching hot surfaces. There's no awkward twisting or adjusting. Just grab, sip, and relax. Now let's talk about durability. These mugs are crafted from high-quality porcelain that is both lead-free and cadmium-free. The ceramic construction is thick and robust, making them chip-resistant and built to last through everyday use. And yes, they are both dishwasher and microwave safe. That's a huge plus for any busy household. This makes them not only beautiful but also extremely practical. What really elevates this set is its gifting potential. It's a thoughtful and meaningful thank you gift for moms, dads, friends, coworkers, or anyone who values a cozy start to their day. Whether it's for Mother's Day, Father's Day, a birthday, or even as a housewarming present, these mugs bring an emotional touch. They're universal yet personal, suitable for couples, friends, Christians, or anyone who enjoys those little moments of gratitude. And with DOWAN's commitment to sustainability, you'll be happy to know these mugs also feature 3 sustainability attributes, aligning with more conscious consumer choices. So, whether you're looking to upgrade your morning coffee routine or you want a gift that says more than words ever could, the DOWAN 20 ounces Blessed and Grateful Mugs set is a top-tier choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're ready to sip in style and share gratitude with every cup, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more product deep dives just like this. See you in the next one.